So now I'm gonna show you the Inopet Care website. So let's go to inopetcare.com. Here at the landing page, you will first see the About Us button. This will show you the About page of Inopet Care, which contains the mission, vision, core values, and Inopet Care background. Here at the landing page, when you scroll down, you will see 4 buttons. Two of them is for vet and shelter admin, which allows you to proceed to login page and registration page. So for the vet and shelter admin, this is allows them to create their sites for the veterinary clinic or animal shelter that the users can use to communicate with them, book appointment, and more. For customers, this will proceed to content listing. This shows all the list of veterinary clinics and animal shelter created using Inopet Care. For the customer page, this is for the pet owners or this is the users of the veterinary clinic or animal shelter. For example, I'm going to visit the Justin Veterinary site. And if I'm going to log in to this, I'm just clicking this sign in button. If I don't have an account, I'm gonna click the register button. Now let's go back to the landing page. Now I'm gonna show you the for the guest or explore as guest button. This will show you the guest page. This will allows guests to know more about the Inopet Care.